Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change the password for hidden photos in your iPhone. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments after watching the video. Let's get started. So, I'll start by showing you where the Hidden Photos album is located on your device. To do this, you'll need to go into Photos on your phone. Then go to the Album section. And then we'll scroll down here and find the Hidden Photos section at the bottom. Click on it. And then in order to enter it, you'll need either Face ID so that you're recognized by your phone, or you have to enter your phone password. And then you go into this Hidden Photos folder. And if there's a situation where, let's say, someone has recognized the password to this hidden photo album, or you're afraid that someone can get into this album, then you can change the password. But like I said, the password used to enter hidden photos is the same password used to unlock your iPhone. So in order to change the password on your photos, you'll need to completely change the password on your phone. And to begin with, you'll need to go into your phone's settings. Here, you scroll down until you find the Face ID and Password section. Go in there. Next, you'll need to keep your phone password. And here you scroll down and you'll find the Change Password section. And when you select it, first you'll need to keep the password that you have now actually for your phone. After that, you'll need to keep a new password. You can choose what it's going to be. For example, 4 digits or 6 digits, and so on. After that, you change the password. Then you enter the new password again to confirm it. This will change your password for logging into your phone and also for accessing the hidden photo album on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you later, friends.